Willie Buckner walked these same halls as a teenager.
I graduated in 1970 from Shawnee High School.
Now he's back in his old stomping ground as part of a family affair. He's the project manager for the construction and cleaning companies owned by his son and daughter, and they're part of the $40 million renovation of the Academy at Shawnee.
To be a part of this, seeing it, the changes, the transitions of them putting all these new windows in, I mean, they are really putting it down. It makes you feel good to say, hey, I am a part of this, and not just passing by the school every day, but I actually get a chance to see it inside, the growth and the changes that's being made. And I'm sure it's going to affect the young people who come. They're going to be surprised at what they're going to see this year.
There's a great sense of pride to know that we are walking these hallways and a part of the revitalization of this project.
Sharita Brown is Willie Buckner's daughter. She owns I Am Construction Cleaning Company. Brown has hired 3 recent college-bound Jefferson County Public School graduates to work on the Shawnee project, as well as other JCPS school renovations this summer.
Knowing that I come from a JCPS school, so me just being in here feels like I'm doing something good for those who I go to school with or who's coming into school and just everyone around.
I've been going to JCPS schools my whole life, and it feels good. I took part in, helping restore it and making it look better, and just getting it to where, it just looks nice.
Because we're better in the community for the ones the upcoming under us, and showing them that you don't gotta be doing that to look cool. Anything you can do, everything, just put your mind to it.
And Willie Buckner's son, Jason, also a JCPS grad, owns Wildcat Construction, one of the main subcontractors on the Shawnee project in the heart of West Louisville.
Yeah, it's a prideful thing, and it's not even just that it's JCPS, it's also a situation where you're doing it during the pandemic, where a lot of people are unemployed, a lot of people need jobs, and then the fact that we're able to give people from the community jobs that they can be proud of and help put food on the table for their families, that's all something that I look at as an item for them. I think the community is starved for investment, so the more that actually comes out and matriculates throughout our city and our community, I think the better that it's going to be for everybody.